Welcome back to my channel. Anyway, this is Dawsane. Good morning, good evening sa inyong lahat. And kumusta kayo dyan? So, as of now, we are here in Long Beach area. So, I want to show you guys this is the part of the Pike Outlets. That's what he called here, but before it wasn't here yet, so it's new for me. Even though it is already old, but for me it's already still new kasi ngayon lang ako nakabalik dito. So yeah, this is it. I think one part of here is aquarium, Long Beach Aquarium, and then we have to move on here. We go upstairs. I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, let's see. We have to walk here in the stairs. As you can see, this is a lot of restaurant over here. That's what they told me, that they have a lot of restaurants, but I think some of them are closed already because of the pandemic, you know. As you can see, here they have a nice view. And now let's move on here. In that part, they have a lot of rental bikes that you can rent. mall there. Guys, samahan niyo ako. Punta tayo in this side. The other side. Yeah, this one. Yan. So, I don't know kung ano restoration hardware they said. But, so, ito yung brakes na yun. Tatawid papunta sa guys, this is it for now. Kasi we have to walk to the restaurant though. To the steakhouse. So, see you later guys. Bye!